Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. As we have crossed 500 subscribers, I have brought you a giveaway. See, I'm bringing you a free Udemy course, which is a paid course. Now you can get this course for free, and I'm bringing this course exclusively for my subscribers only. And if you have already subscribed to this channel and if you have hit the bell icon, you can avail this course, because the course limit I'm showing you to get the time will be you can get this course only within 18 hours. So if you have subscribed and have hit the bell icon, you'll get the notification, right? Once you get the notification, you can directly get this course, because within 18 hours you can enroll this, and thereafter you can access this course for your lifetime. So let me tell the instructions of this course. So the things about this course is it is a web development crash course. The actual cost is 700 rupees. However, I'm going to give you this course absolutely for free. And the most important thing about this course is you can get this you can complete this course within half an hour. So once you complete this course, you can get a certificate, and you can also access this course just with your mobile phone. And this course is just like an introductory. It will help you setting up environment. They will be teaching you the HTML5, JavaScript and jQuery and Bootstrap. So there are 6 lectures and the length is 32 minutes total length, so that you can complete this videos in 32 minutes, that is absolutely half an hour, and you can get a certificate of completion from Udemy, which is really valuable, right? And you are also having a lifetime access once you enroll to this course, and you can access this on your mobile as well as your TV. So what else do you need from this? And the description is, as I have already told, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. You are going to get a basics of a website creation, a foundation, like that. So this course is being created by Istaq Ahmed Shishir. So this is about this course. Now I'm going to show you how to get this course for free. You can see this is already 700. Now you can see here. You'd have seen the same course for free right now. I'm also going to tell you how you can get this course absolutely for free. Prior to this, please do ensure that you have subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon, because in the coming time you may get 1,000 rupees. Like once we reach 1k subscribers, I'm going to give more giveaways like this. In order to avail this, you need to hit the bell icon, you need to subscribe this channel. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to share this video with your friends, because you can get more such offers only when you share this and when we reach a greater community on YouTube. So I strongly recommend you to watch this video till the end, as well as share this video with your friends. If not, I cannot bring more such updates to you. So you can see this course is available only for 18 hours left at this price. It means if you have subscribed to this channel with the bell icon, if you have hit the bell icon, you will get an update and you can directly enroll for this course. So as I've seen this, most of the students on our community, they were asking questions like, the batch has expired, I cannot access the course, what should I do, like that. This is happening because they don't subscribe to the channel. If they don't subscribe to this channel, they cannot get the updates. So if you get the update, you can get this course. See, the lifetime the access time is just 18 hours after I have updated this video. Before uploading the video, it is 18 hours. It means once I upload the video, it will really reduce, right? So you are going to have a limited time for every offer and every channel and every video and every course I provide. So the most important thing you need to do is hit the bell icon, so that you can get regular updates on our channel, which is really useful for your career, like in your preparation, placements preparation. So whoever preparing for your placements, as well as whoever wanted to improve their communication skills, etc., can subscribe to this channel. So now I'm going to tell how to get this. You just need to click. First of all, if you don't have any account on Udemy, please do go and create an account on Udemy. You can see the website www.udemy.com. If you search it, you can get this website, and once you get this, create an account or register with your email. Once you have registered for this, now click the link I have provided in the description box. Right? If you hit the title, if you press the title, You can click the title, you can get the description box allowed. You can see a blue color link which is the page link for this free course. If you only click on that link, you will get this course for free. So once you have created the account, do not forget to click the link I have provided in the description box. It will be redirected to you this page. Else you will get this page which is 700 rupees. Sorry, this is free, right? This is 700 rupees. If you go and search on your own, you will end up with a course of 700 rupees. Else if you click the link I have provided in the description box, you will get a course of which is free, and you can enroll this and you can get this you can access this course for your lifetime and get the certification just within half an hour. So if you wanted to get more such interesting courses absolutely for free, and you also want a help in your preparation of your placements preparation, do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching this video.